Okay, so before you rehook up uh, the the siphon or the before you put this thing back in, you have to fill the tank up with water from the tub, and I'll show you how to do that. So I put my hand under the bucket, and then I gently put the bucket on the edge of the tank, because you don't want to bang it on the edge of the tank, so that the bucket overlaps the edge of the tank. And then I put my hand underneath the water, because if you just pour it in straight, it'll actually like uproot everything and blast the gravel all over the place. So I put my hand underneath the bucket, underneath the water, the flow of water, and then I just pour it in like that. And that's just the water I just siphoned out. And um, you could just do it with gallon jugs too, and you could just pour the gallon jugs in. That would work fine. It just takes a little bit longer because you have to do jug by jug. But you're only going to be draining, like 2 gallons or maybe 3 gallons, so it's not going to take very long. Okay, that's so that's the refilling part.